Hello, everybody. How do you know if your website is mobile friendly? It is so critical that your website is mobile friendly these days. More than 50% of the website visits are on mobile devices already. So you got to make sure your website is mobile friendly. So, first of all, let's check how do you know whether your website is mobile friendly or not. So all you do is very simple. You go on Google and you type in mobile friendly test. And Google has a tool called mobile friendly test. And all you do is you type in your domain name in here and click on run test. And it will let you know whether your website is mobile friendly or not. However, even if it comes out to be mobile friendly, doesn't mean that it is converting. It is high converting on mobile devices. So mobile devices, again, is so critical since it's such a small screen. You got to make sure the call to action sticks at the top. So that way people can just call you by tapping this or by tapping this down here. So the click to call or tap to call will be super critical on mobile devices. So this is still running. So make sure also you want to make sure your website these days is responsive in design. What that means is you only have one website and it shrinks accordingly to the size of your screen and the device you're using. So if you're using an iPad, it'll just shrink nicely on an iPad. If you're using a large screen, then it will just format it correctly. That way you don't need two websites. So after you run this, it will come out with website is mobile friendly. This page is mobile friendly. If it shows red, obviously that means that page or the site as a whole is not mobile friendly. Then you got to work with your developer to make sure it is mobile friendly. But again, mobile friendly doesn't necessarily mean that it is high converting. So the easiest way, if I would recommend you do, is just pull up your mobile device and serve your own site, serve your own site, pretending you are a user, and see how easy it is to navigate around your own site, right? And see how easy it is to find the contact us page, how easy it is to find your phone number. Okay?